Good job. Push it again, it'll stop.
That's what it's meant to do is, you're about to beat Heather.
So tell me what you love most.
Dogs and cats.
Dogs and cats. And are you going to take care of them when you get to be bigger?
What is the person called that takes care of dogs and cats?
Veterinarian.
All right.
Give me the real thing now.
Say of all the toys, we like this one. It's pretty cool.
The cushion.
Like a pillow and a seat and a table. We can put it together like a puzzle, right? And then we have this little train is great. We love to push the button and make it start and stop. We'll watch it go back and forth.
Did you have fun?
You have fun? Say hey. See the boat? See the boat?
You like it? Your Christmas list.
I like this toy because you could buy it earlier on when they're like 1.5 or 2 and use them as blocks and they could build with it. And then later they'd have it and they could build the different, was it like 6 puzzles with it?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Can you boys look up and smile if you like that fire truck? Yeah. Wow, you've built stuff before, right?
Yeah.
I can tell.
With Daddy, right?
Yeah.
It's alright though, it's gonna be music.
What about me? She does everything.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah. And stored.
Alright. And what's the object of the game? You have to fill up your whole card?
Yes. And then you say bingo.
Or do you say zingo?
Bingo.
Oh, alright. There you go.
Ready?
Oh, that's
You wanna
not
play
supposed to
here,
play
too?
right there. Because that's for the other, that's for the other playtime. Look, this is the toy set in the middle like it's supposed to play with. There's a doctor set. It can be a doctor set. What do you work on? Dress up, she'll take your picture.
Oh, yes, I want to take a picture of that.
Dress up as a doctor now. You can be a veterinarian.
Pup, dog.
Nope.
Nope. Your turn.
Veterinarian suit now. How cool is that?
No, me
That's a
there.
mask.
Go in the house.
That's the mask that you put around. Take the germs off. Other way, turn it over. You want me to help you?
Hi, bunny. Do you have a kite? That's fine. Hit it back and forth. Here, watch. Your mom.
I'm good for you.
No,